Hello guys, Eagle Stocks here. I haven't posted a video in a minute, but this is gonna be one of those videos that it's gonna be really important to understand what's really happening right now. And first, I'm gonna show you a chart of the SP 500, and then I'm gonna show you the chart of the Federal Reserve balance sheet, because it's very important to understand what's happening right now. So, as most of you guys know, we crashed around February, March because of the virus. You can see it here clearly. But the thing that's happened is that after March 25th, if you see here, this was really the recovery signal, because we had this candle right here followed by a gap up, and then we had, ever since then, it just been skyrocketing. So what happens in this? Well, a lot of people missed out on buying the dip, and now they're forced to buy the top again, which if you see, it never went to that resistance, which is the all-time high of 3393. But remember this date, March 25th, because when we go to the Federal balance sheet, if we do March 25th, let's do a 6 month, because that's going to be able to show better. If you see March 25th, that's right here. Ever since then, their balance sheet has grown from 5 trillion all the way to 7 trillion. So, it's very interesting to look at that data, because you can see that this market is really being only pushed by the Federal, because the unemployment rate keeps going up or it doesn't go down. So that means that the economy keeps going up, but the people that support the economy are not working. So where is that revenue and all that money gonna come to lift the economy? The Fed can keep printing money as they've always done, but it's just causing a bubble. And it's really clear, because if you look at the price of gold and we look at the chart on 2008 when the last crash was, let's look at that really quick. We will see that gold performs good when the economy crashes. So this was 2011 when they had the high. This is where we are right now, and the market went down in February and March, but we haven't seen a deflation stage of the market. So I just wanted to make this quick video so you understand what's happening, why the printer going on is really good for people that have calls, and it's really good for like day traders, scalpers and all that, but on the longer picture of the economy, it's not looking good at all, because the only one that's making the money is the Fed. But when it comes to pay the forbearance in the mortgages, when it comes to paying the taxes of all this print money, if half of America, or however high the unemployment rate is, who's going to pay that? The people that are working right now are not going to be able to support the economy. And as we know, we are in a bubble right now, so it's just a matter of time of the bubble to pop. So have cash in hand, because the most important things during those hard times is going to be having cash flow and having cash in hand to buy assets that can generate things. And last thing that I wanted to point out is that the Federal Reserve cut the rates to 0, which means that all the money is going to the stock market, because bonds don't really pay much, bank account savings don't pay much, and I'm not going to talk about real estate and the other assets, but most of the money that will be in savings accounts and in bonds, it's flowing to the stock market, which is causing the market to go up. But the day that the rates start to raise, that's the day that we're going to start to see the sell-offs in the market. This was just a quick video. I hope you enjoy it and you're able to see with this graph. By the way, this is from the Fed website, that everything really makes sense right now. And I'm almost positive now that this crash has been induced by the government or by the Fed, one of them too, because the only way that the Fed could step in and buy stuff is if the economy crashes, what we've seen, or the government itself buying assets, you know. And for the first time, I will have to do another video on that, but for the first time, the Fed is buying assets, or like they're buying ETFs with our tax money. And that's really critical, because if you think about it, they print money out of thin air, and to be able to participate in the markets to buy ETFs. Oh, by the way, on that program, BlackRock, one of the top institutions that trade like 7.43. Let me actually look it up to get the... Yeah, 7.43 trillion of dollars. That's how much assets they are managing. So they gave them $750 billion of what they can keep 75 for reinvesting money for them, which to me is really corrupt, because it's like printing money out of thin air and then giving it to all the banks for them to make money, while everybody else in the economy and everybody else in the world suffers. And that's where we are right now, which is the world that we live on. But I just wanted to, like I said, make this video so you're aware where we are, and we all know where these things lead. So stay safe out there, enjoy the most time with your family, keep pushing on your goals. Eagle Stocks here, peace out.